A medicine meant to cure cough has proved fatal for innocents. It was poison packed in cough syrup bottles. Multiple children are dead in Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan, all victims of a single medicine, Coldrif cough syrup. According to the lab reports, the cough syrup contained diethylene glycol, which is an industrial solvent and can cause permanent kidney damage. Manufacturer Sri Sun Pharmaceuticals license has been cancelled, but after the damage is already done.
कोल्ड ड्रिंक सिरप को लेकर के अलर्ट जारी हुए हैं कि उसकी बिक्री कहीं भी हो रहेगी तो रोक लगाई जाएगी। उसी के क्रम में हम लोगों का आज अभियान चल रहा है। कोल्ड सिरप या सेरेन बायोटेक जो तमिलनाडु की कंपनी है, उसका कोई भी सिरप अगर मिलता है तो उसको सीज करते हुए नियमानुसार कार्रवाई की जाए।
The veteran doctor in Chhindwara who prescribed the medicines has been arrested, but now IMA has backed the doctor and demanded his immediate release. IMA claims that the doctor was not at fault and it was the responsibility of government and agencies who gave clean chit to the cough syrup.
Punishing your doctor for giving these medications to children. This is from the government pool, isn't it? These medicines have been approved at the end of the day. Where does the buck stop?
Why is doctor responsible for this? Prerogative of the government to see what of the medicines they are supplying into the government depot, whether they are genuine, adulterated, what not. How far the doctor is responsible for this? It's not responsible.
Is the arrest of doctor merely an eyewash, especially when the regulators and government officials are taking no blame?
Over a dozen young kids in India have lost their lives, all related, linked, so far allegedly, to a cough syrup. Not one particular brand, not one particular company, but combinations that exist all across. So what exactly is the story? We know that at least 5 states across India have now banned Coldrif. Now, Coldrif is a concoction of medicines said to be those which could be dangerous for kids below the age of 4. In fact, international guidelines go on to say that below the age of 6 as well. So what is it exactly that you should be doing? Well, number one, ask your pediatrician. Do not give any cough syrup to your child without consulting with your pediatrician. Number two, question authorities. Ask your doctors, ask your politicians as well, as we've been doing right here on India Today, asking why exactly has it taken them so long to respond. So why was India prescribing it? Why didn't we wake up to this earlier? And importantly, even after all these days, why have only the doctor, who was only prescribing what is already on the state list, why is the pharmacist, who was only procuring again the drug already on the state list, why haven't we seen any action being taken against any of the pharma companies, any of the drug controllers, and also importantly from our health ministers, from states and from India, in the union capital as well, to understand why did it take so long for them to respond.
Madhya Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh and Maharashtra have banned the cough syrup. With the blame game on, where does the buck finally stop?